It's starting to feel like spring here. I am so done with this cold. The best way to celebrate spring is a themed bento. My name is Willow, and this is You Need a Bento. Let's make lunch. So like every bento, we start with rice. And this time, we're gonna start with a little bit of lettuce. I find in spring and summer, I want more vegetables and less heavy foods. And the lettuce is perfectly edible. You really should. And this we mix with peas and the takuan. That video will be out next week. And careful not to squish your peas. Frozen peas work really, really well because they keep their shape really, really well while you're forming your bento. But then they're nice and defrosted by the time you get to them. And for this one, I'm probably going to go a little heavy on the pickles just because in springtime I find I want more pickles. And as you're kind of coming out of winter time, you tend to want things that are a little a little brighter, and I find the vinegar and pickles is exactly what I'm looking for. And you can arrange these however you like, more, less. This is about what I would eat on any given lunchtime. And then just for fun, these are the Sakura Tsukemono that we made, or that we will be making at the same time as the takuan. You can add as many or as few as those as you want. And there we are. Now this bento is a very small one. It's a spring themed bento. Aren't those pretty? But I tend to keep things a little bit smaller in spring because I tend not to want to eat nearly as much. But there you are. I hope you try it out and see what you think. I'd love to hear all about it. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time.